Doctor and everyone, my name is Mok Zhuxuan, metric number 279689. Today, I'm going to talk about an article that is related to international logistics. The topic is Challenges and Opportunities in Logistics at Domestic and International, an overview. So first of all, we will talk about the introduction. As we can see that, nowadays the logistic management is very critical for transporting goods and services from the point of production to the point of consumption at all stages of life. One of the main choices of logistic management is to choose the transportation method and carrier to move the company inbound and outbound of goods. Furthermore, the importance of each variable usually varies by department, enterprise, or even a factory within the enterprise. Mode preference and the career choice are part of transportation decision-making process that including first is determining appropriate transportation performance factors, selecting the transportation methods and carriers, negotiating the tariff and service level, and fourth is the career performance evaluation. So as a part of the supply chain, it can be determined whether a company sells directly to the end customers, provide service, manufacture products, or also obtains data from the earth. So the organization now are focusing on their immediate customers and internal tasks with the relative low emphasis on them. Next is about the important points of the article, part 1. Intermodal logistic networks provide a viable alternative to meet this requirement. A cargo in a freight network uses the numerous modes of transportation in its travel from the origin to destination in a seamless manner through the use of intermodal containers. However, the development and governance of such a logistic network is restricted by the current transportation infrastructure, the location of modal transfer hubs, and the logistic pricing structure. Initially, the development of intermodal logistics originated from marketplace globalization. As we can see that if we compare with the traditional over-the-road OTR networks, intermodal logistics take advantages of its component transportation methods so that they can provide a competitive service. Integrating methods into intermodal logistics offer the means to transfer shipments that are both economically and also operationally feasible between the routes and the location. Next is part 2. Besides that, the limitation on rail transportation are overcome by using cargo handling routes. The recent developments, activities, and challenges of a contemporary Indian logistics sector is reviewed in this article that most of the logistics sector in India are unorganized sector, close to 90%. This article also highlights the various measures taken by the Indian governments to promote the domestic logistics industry that reveals what are the main challenges faced in the logistics sector. For example, special economic zones and their impact in the India's export indicate that this will bring additional economic activity to the domestic logistics and also promote the foreign investment so that they can increase the funds in the logistics sector. This will also help to create job opportunities in the logistics sector. Part 3. In the past decade, environmental issues have received the increasing attention. So, transportation is one of the main sources of environmental problems, and its growth rate is expected to become even faster than the overall GNP rate of the industrialized world. In addition, the logistic ratio is in minimizing inventory routing problems, and the inventory routing problems IRP is designed to minimize the cost of total distance moved within a discrete investment range in the different periods, while ensuring customers do not experience out-of-stock events. Besides that, these papers also reveal that in the past 2 decades, a unique problem. What is the unique problem? Is urban distribution in urban logistics has become the main concern of many towers, freight companies, logistic service providers, distribution, and residents. So several new methods of the organizing and managing distribution and freight have been proposed, and sometimes they are tested to suit the expectation of new citizens and urban sustainability goals. Part 4. At last is the challenges of outsourcing logistics toward the third-party suppliers. Is based on the challenges of the third-party logistic 3PL provider used by the shippers. They recognize the main problems including finding a 3PL that has the ability to meet the shippers' specific logistic requirements, improper information system between the shippers and 3PL, and the 3PL's inability to meet the shippers' further development requirements, and last is the safety issues. Next is the part of opportunities in logistics. In Logistic 4.0, the internet triggers important technological innovations, interpersonal interaction effects, and logistic tasks are all investigated as contextual results. For example, technology categorized existing applications that support Logistic 4.0 are the IoT, Internet of Things, network system, predictive analytics, computing, mobile system, and social media-based system and supplementary innovations. So regarding the organizational impact used to determine the further strategies and methods so that they can complete the certain logistic tasks to generate the new technologies. So as a conclusion, despite the fact that logistic management is a new term that describes the operations of product flow management, as we can see that this concept has been incorporated into supply chain management and physical distribution. Logistic management, the main function is to provide a flexible transportation and also rationalize the transportation flexibility into different types. At last, the importance of different types of flexibility in delivering specific strategic locations result can be determined in many ways. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video and see you again. Bye!